come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Suhail said, when these statements are running on Pakistani TV, how does our own defense forces look at these kind of statements used by Pakistan? I want to ask you, and I'm not getting into any rhetoric. The fact is, Mr. Channi, former Chief Minister of Punjab, again asked for proof. There have been innumerable statements, the latest one by Ajay Rai, the president of the Congress party in Uttar Pradesh, with a Rafale and a Nimbu and a Mirchi. Not one word from Rahul Gandhi reprimanding any of these Congress leaders. What are we supposed to believe?
So let's start with what Ashwani said. His initial question was, should there be accountability? The answer is yes. Should the opposition ask questions of the government? The answer is yes. But Ashwani, there's a difference between asking a question and between mocking the defense forces, between mocking the Prime Minister by saying, oh, he's gone for a fashion show, by talking rubbish, by showing a Rafale with a Nimbu and a Mirchi. That is mocking. That's not asking a question. That is also belittling national pride, national intent, and national resolve. These are the worry points for the Congress. The Congress has every right, every Indian has a right to question the Home Minister and the government of India.
That is
but
what we are doing.
There is a place and a time. There is also a mechanism by which you behave in a moment of national crisis where national unity is paramount. You don't make fun of our armed forces. You don't begin questioning whether Pulwama happened, because then you're playing into the hands of Pakistan, who said, oh, there was no Pulwama. By questioning Balaghat, by questioning Pulwama, saying, oh, did it really happen? You are actually playing into the hands of the enemies. So, Navika, to answer your question, how do the Pakistani television channels feel? They feel that we also have our share of dolts who come on television. Sadly, they are Indian citizens who make stupid comments. Now, you tell me, what can you make of an Ajay Rai? If he is the president of the Indian National Congress in Uttar Pradesh, now you know why the Congress in UP has been totally disseminated. People look up to their leaders for leadership. They don't look up to their leaders to be stand-up comics. It's another matter that sometimes by just existing, you become a stand-up comic. This is a serious matter. All political parties, including Rahul Gandhi, I was the first to say on national television, when Rahul Gandhi cut short his trip, came back to India, his tone, manner was full of gravitas, as it should be, as he is the leader of the opposition. And I gave him full marks for that. But his own party people keep letting him down. Now, Navika's issue is, should he reprimand them? That's an internal matter. You know, I'm not the headmaster's advisor in the Congress party. The tragedy, Navika, is we have enough people in our country both belittling and doubting our national security, our national capabilities, and our national resolve. These are worse enemies to have, because you can't do anything about it.
Absolutely, absolutely. But I differ with you, Suhail said. I differ with you, Suhail said, and I want to get in Smita on this point. Smita, when Rahul Gandhi, there is a letter that was sent out by the General Secretary of the Congress Party, K.C. Venugopal, asking everyone to control their tongue and not speak in dissonant voices. But that was last week. Since then, you have lost count of how many congressmen have come out and spoken in I don't know what to call it, I don't want to use bad language, but in all kinds of voices, certainly not standing up with India, standing up with the nature of the support that all party meeting had, concluded with. But when Mr. Rahul Gandhi doesn't say anything, isn't that going to be seen as license to just freely shoot wherever you want, whatever you want?
1 minute before Smita comes in, Navika, you will agree with me, and so will Smita. I want her views on this. Mr. Modi says things which to my mind are driven through national leadership, but sometimes people in the BJP also make stupid comments. So to blame some party people for their stupidity and therefore blame the national leader may not be the wisest thing.
We are not in normal times. We are in times where we are staring at a war. At such a inflection point in our country's history, Smita Prakash, should there not not be a more serious statement coming in from the biggest national party in the opposition?
Totally agree with you, Navika, and almost partially or almost completely agree with Suhail also. Because a couple of hours ago, the Prime Minister met with the leader of the opposition, which is Rahul Gandhi. He had a one-to-one meeting, and the other members of the CCS have also had personal meetings with opposition leaders. They've had phone meetings with them. It's now the job of Rahul Gandhi to speak to his flock and to speak also to the India Alliance. They may not have had meeting in several months. They have not fought elections together, but now, as you pointed out, we are in a state of a near war. We have an enemy that is mobilizing at the border and within the country for a kinetic action from India. In such a situation, low-level politics by some, if I'm being generous, I'll call them immature politicians. Suhail calls them clown, and I kind of agree with him that this is clown-like behavior. It's not going to harm the country as much, Navika, as it's going to harm their own politics. Because people from their constituency, from those who have voted for them, it's going to dent the authenticity of those leaders among their electorate. And nothing hurts more than losing in elections. Because people are listening quietly, formulating their opinions, See, nobody likes dissent even before the first bullet has been fired across the border. Well, there have been skirmishes, but actual terms of a war. Now, Navika, a short while ago, just barely half an hour ago, a memorandum has come from the IT ministry. It was released on about some social media handles and some influencers who the ministry claims is working against national interests. Now, if these social media platforms, if these influencers and these low-level politicians, they go overboard, the government is well within its act to invoke emergency measures under the IT ministry. And because it's a warlike situation, it's a conflict which can snowball into a war any day, any week. So they can exercise, it is time for all of us to exercise our rights judiciously. You know, civics lessons mein padha tha, it is time to do that. We have our right to speech, but we have to exercise that right judiciously, or else our rights might be curtailed. And if our rights are curtailed, that means us as media, our rights will also be curtailed, and we will not be able to bring information to you people, to the viewers of this channel, to the common citizens. I appeal to you, speak to your politicians, your MLAs, MPs, everybody.
Absolutely.
And tell
there
them
has to be a code of conduct that is required in a conflict situation that is building up, and I completely agree with you.
With Smita, that to call them low-level clowns, etc., is actually missing the point, Smita. Siddaramaiah is not low-level. Mr. Tariq Karra is not a low-level neta. Please, Ashwini ji, I request you. Ashwini ji, is your job only to
you tell me.
Navika, I have not
interrupted. Right after 26 what will you call him?
Gentlemen,
should I play Modi ji's video right
after he finishes? I'll allow you to come in.
Did he not question the government? What will you call him?
Navika, okay. I request Ashwini ji with all the humility that let me complete my point, then you speak. I'm sure your point is not going to get invalidated.
Okay, go on.
Smita ji, please tell me, when Siddaramaiah says Pakistan se yudh nahi hona chahiye, is he in the CCS? Is he entitled to decide this? Is Tariq Karra, the president of the Jammu Kashmir Congress Party, who says ki baatcheet kar lo unse, is he entitled to decide this? Saifuddin Sood says trust Pakistan, bro. Indus water pani band mat karo. Santosh Lad, nothing to do with them, says don't stop the water of Pakistan. Khoon ki dalali was said by Rahul Gandhi about surgical strike. Balakot was called Cheel Kauve Mare by Mr. Sidhu. Gunman hai, ye atanki nahi hai. Kerala Congress official tweet even today. So, Smita Prakash ji, this is not some low-level Congress neta. This is the Congress party speaking in two voices. Rashtra Niti inside the all-party meeting, right. Vote Bank Niti outside.
Smita, counter.
So, Shehzad, how did I begin? What did I begin by saying that Rahul Gandhi has just met with Mr. Modi? Hopefully this was discussed and Mr. Rahul Gandhi will take corrective action. Siddaramaiah is senior to Rahul Gandhi. He, in terms of experience, in terms of portfolios that he has held. It is time though for Rahul Gandhi, because he holds a senior position right now as a country head, an opposition head. It's time for him to rein in his parties. Some people are clownish. I'm not saying all are clownish. Some people might be motivated for whatever reason, to get eyeballs, to whatever the reason is to be in the news. They might be saying this. They have to exercise restraint in times like this. The country demands it of
You're
them.
right.